Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by slicing the loaf evenly so heat and butter penetrate. This matters for texture. Make garlic butter. Mash butter, grate 3 cloves garlic, stir in chopped parsley and salt. The fat carries flavor into bread. Once done, spread a thin layer into each cut, pushing some butter between slices so the interior gets flavored. Preheat to 200 degrees to ensure the crust crisps while crumb warms. Make sure to use room temperature butter for easy spreading and even absorption. Once assembled, place the loaf on a foil-lined tray and wrap loosely. This traps steam so the butter melts without drying the crumb. Bake covered for 8 to 10 minutes, then uncover for 2 to 4 minutes so the crust browns. Timing changes with oven variability, so check at the shorter end. If you want cheese, sprinkle 25 to 30 g grated hard cheese halfway through so it melts but doesn't overbake. Make sure to rotate the tray once for even color. You finish by resting the bread 1 to 2 minutes so butter sets and slices hold shape. Immediate cutting squeezes oil out. If centers are soggy, return the loaf uncovered at 180 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes to evaporate excess moisture. If the crust is too dry, brush a little olive oil and warm for 1 minute to soften. This restores mouthfeel without overcooking. One troubleshooting tip: if garlic tastes raw, your oven temperature was too low. Increase by 10 to 20.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.